Setting up an email account is one of the essential digital skills everyone needs today. It's not just about creating a username and password, it's your gateway to communication, both personal and professional. Setting up an email account involves choosing a provider like Gmail or Outlook, entering your details and verifying your identity. Once you're set up, you'll be able to send, receive and organise emails to stay connected with others. But beyond the setup, there's another crucial part: staying secure. When accessing your email, especially in a workplace setting, it's important to follow your organisation's security protocols. This could mean enabling two-factor authentication, using secure passwords and understanding how to identify and avoid suspicious emails. By setting up and securing your email properly, you're not only improving your own digital communication skills, but also protecting yourself and your organisation from potential security threats.